Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a quick tip to how to open two different worksheets side by side. So you can view worksheets side by side, which means that you can edit and review on the other screen. So for that, you have to go to your view section, and in the view you have windows. In Windows category, you will find new window. So open it up and now you have another window. I will bring this window down, and let's say if I have put it on the other screen that I'm presenting, and whatever I will perform here, you will see it is appearing on the other side of the screen as well. And what if you close it? You still have your original. So simply new window, and it will open you a book which can be edited, and you can compare it on the other side, on the other screen as well. So I hope you enjoyed this tip, guys. Looking forward to speak to you again. Good luck. Bye bye.